My name is Ricky Asija. We are at Sawant Yoga in Kandivali East, Lokanwala, and I am a real estate consultant by profession.
Very nice, very nice. And Ricky ji, what is the reason? Why did you actually want to join the program? And after joining the program, what were the results that you got?
I always wanted to, join this program. I have seen few people with the transformation, and my major transformation journey throughout was it was initially very difficult for me to get into that zone because getting up early in the morning, changing my diet, and changing the entire lifestyle was a bit difficult in the start, but now I'm so used to it that my last meal is at around 6:37, and earlier it used to be the dinner used to be at around 9:30, 10, and then it used to be a late night craving as well at around 12:31 as well. So that all has stopped completely, and it's been a wonderful journey.
Beautiful, beautiful. And so your challenge, you said that you were struggling with your lifestyle. So what is that one thing that you joined the program for that you got the major result with?
It was majorly, getting more active, getting more. I was very lazy, lethargic. My weight was not going down, and I've seen that change after joining this program. I'm more active. I feel more fresh now, and I've reduced my weight in the last 6-7 months. So that was my initial plan of getting into this program and transforming myself.
Very nice. And during the program, were you given any medications or any allopathy or anything that's really not natural, or was it completely a natural program?
No, it's a completely a natural program. There was no medication. There was no, everything was organic, uh, like more of vegetables and smoothies and stuff like that. So there was no medication given to me, but the normal food. But getting into a proper diet, but there was no medication for sure.
And also, what would you tell to people who are still on the fence, that who think that they would want to do it, but they are still thinking karu ya nahi karu? What would you suggest to them?
लाइन क्रॉस करनी पड़ेगी. बिना लाइन क्रॉस किए ये नहीं होगा. You will have to think way beyond, and you will have to take that initiative that if I can do it, then anybody can do it, because I used to think that way, that if this person can do it, and why can't I do it? So that should be your it should be in your mind that you'll have to cross the line and get into this.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Ricky, for your such a nice and a successful transformation. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Namaskar.